I have a very interesting procedure today. A gentleman who had multiple procedures in past, strip procedures, old method hair transplant. He has a scar on the back. He has advanced hair loss that the front is taking care of the back. There's a big area to be fixed. And then he wants to reinforce the eyebrows. He wants to reinforce the beard. He's an actor. He needs that manly, strong look, and that will definitely help him.
Hello, I'm Adam. Like Dr. Mohebi said, I'm an actor, and I play Vikings, tough guys, big characters like that. So I'm just gonna touch up the little eyebrows, a little bit on the beard, more prominent male features, and just fill in the crown area and fill in the areas that need to enhance my look.
Okay, so he is class 7. Class 7 means that a person that who loses everything on top and ends up with a rim of hair on the scalp. So everything here is transplanted. So he has a good hairline, that's not a problem, but the problem is when we turn, we see on the back, this area doesn't have this hairline going down, so we need this hump to be restored. So this hump being restored, it does keep us from seeing that big area of the top. And then the crown, obviously there's a big area that he didn't have enough hair to support that. The good thing is his hair is blonde and his skin is white, so there's minimum contrast. But again, because he had old method hair transplant, he has a white scar on the back. So the new transplants don't have that scar, but the old one did. Priorities, the first priority is creating this hump, and the other side is a little bit better. So we're going to create this hump by making it naturally, like how the natural hair should be here on people who are not class 7, maybe class 6. And then the hair in front will go hand in hand with that hair, and the whole thing will cover the back. And then we'll want to do this bridge technique by putting some grafts here, good number of grafts here, not much here, but the hair in front will go hand in hand and create a network with the hair on the back. So everything will look like it's perfect. Then the scar is a big issue here because there's not much hair here, and if you remove too much hair, the scar will be even more visible. But the beauty of the FUE procedure is, as we put hair into the scar, we can remove more from the back and everything will be more even. So instead of 0% hair here and 100% hair next to it, we make the 100% 60%, we make this 30%, and it's only 30% difference. Everything looks more even, so that allows me to remove more hair from the back. Good looking face is a very strong manly face, but some features could be more augmented. So he has good eyebrows, lighter hair, but at the tail of the eyebrow you see the hair is very miniaturized basically. So it doesn't have that continuation of this good strong eyebrow. So we're going to put some hair here, and we're going to use beard hair for that. On his beard, although he has a nice and solid beard, these borders he wanted to be more reinforced. So we want to add more hair here so he has a more strong frame to his face. And again, for that we're going to use beard from the bottom area. We're not going to touch the top, but we're going to get it from the bottom.
$150.
Spray.
155, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 60, 63, 64, 65, 67.
How was your day? Long day, huh?
Long day, but great. I'm excited to see the results.
Okay,
great
good.
team working with me.
That's perfect. Let's see what we did. So we did the eyebrows, the tail of the eyebrows. You see dots, but they will become hair, and they will go the direction of the existing hair. The cheeks here, we augmented that hairline on both sides, so he's going to have a more solid hair on that area. This first priority was this hump here that we created with a good density. And then the crown area, we put some hair, and also we put some hair into the scar of the previous strip procedure. It's hard to see it, but it's right there. That area between those two lines are the widest area of the scar that has been covered with grafts now.